Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to set Gmail as your default email app on an iPhone or iPad in iOS. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. To make Gmail your default email app, open the Settings app first and scroll down and find Gmail on the list and tap on it. It should be in the bottom section. On the next page there should be an option called Default Mail App. Tap on this and then you can choose Gmail from the list of email apps to make it default. And so that is how to set Gmail as your default email app on an iPhone or iPad in iOS. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your iPhone or iPad. If you have any questions then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.